Zendaya once again proved why she's one of Hollywood's biggest fashion icons after making a breathtaking entrance at the New York City premiere of the Odyssey. Every time she steps onto a red carpet, fans expect something unforgettable, but this latest appearance managed to exceed even the highest expectations. With dramatic angel-inspired wings, an elegant flowing gown, and effortless confidence, Zendaya transformed the premiere into one of the most talked-about fashion moments of the year. The actress arrived at the star-studded event on Tuesday evening wearing an ethereal off-white strapless gown designed by Matthias Fiekels. The striking dress featured a plunging neckline, delicate feather detailing along the bodice, and a daring thigh-high slit that added a modern edge to the heavenly inspired design. Flowing behind her was a dramatic train that enhanced the look's elegance, but the true centerpiece was undoubtedly the magnificent feathered wings attached to the ensemble. Stretching well beyond her shoulders, the wings gave Zendaya the appearance of a mythical goddess descending onto the red carpet. As photographers captured every angle, the wings moved gracefully behind her, creating an unforgettable visual that instantly dominated social media. To complement the statement outfit, Zendaya kept her accessories sophisticated and refined. She wore sparkling chauffeured chandelier earrings that added just the right amount of glamour without competing with the dramatic gown. She completed the look with sculptural white wedge heels, adding height while maintaining the clean monochromatic aesthetic. Her beauty styling was equally flawless. Zendaya wore her hair in a soft, curly braid that flowed elegantly down her back, creating a romantic and timeless finish. Her makeup embraced natural tones, highlighting her features with glowing skin, subtle eye makeup, and a soft nude lip. The understated beauty look allowed the extraordinary fashion statement to remain the focus, while showcasing her effortless elegance. Videos from the premiere quickly spread across social media platforms, showing Zendaya confidently posing for photographers from every angle. She appeared completely at ease as she carefully displayed the dramatic wings and flowing train, giving photographers plenty of unforgettable shots. Every pose emphasized the craftsmanship of the gown, making it clear why the outfit instantly became one of the night's biggest highlights. Fans flooded social media with praise almost immediately. One admirer commented, "Flawless. I'm also loving her makeup looks, so simple yet so perfect for each outfit." Another joked, "Wow, thanks a lot, I just passed out," expressing just how stunned they were by her appearance. A third fan wrote, "How do you keep slaying every single time? Like how?" Others summed up their reactions with simple but powerful words such as mesmerizing, beyond, and iconic. Many fashion enthusiasts described the look as one of Zendaya's greatest red carpet moments, praising both the originality of the design and the confidence with which she wore it. The stunning ensemble wasn't a last-minute decision either. During an news live stream from the premiere, Zendaya revealed that the outfit had actually been planned for years. She explained that her longtime stylist, La Roche, had held onto the concept for nearly 2 years, waiting for the perfect occasion to unveil it. La put this on hold a long time ago. Like 2 years ago, Zendaya shared during the interview. She also spoke about her close creative relationship with Roche, explaining that their partnership works because they trust each other's instincts while still openly discussing ideas. "We're usually on the same page," she said. "We have gone back and forth a few times. It's family, so that's how we do it." If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.